In today's video, I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth mask. If you're interested in, please watch the video to the end. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So love, today I'll be doing this hair mask treatment. I saw this on my For You page on YouTube and I decided to try it out. Okay, so this is a very amazing hair growth mask, guys, because this is my second time using it, and wow, the result on my hair is so amazing. So we have cloves, banana, and oil. You can use any oil you have, okay? And I'm also going to be using egg as well. Okay, banana is very amazing for your hair growth. Okay, the potassium in banana will help you to strengthen your hair if your hair is if you're losing hair. Okay, if you want to strengthen your hair, try incorporating banana and egg to your hair regimen. This is a clove hair mask. Have you seen clove hair mask before? Have you tried it out? You can try this one. This particular one is pretty easy. It's pretty simple. You just only need only four ingredients, which is just the clove, the banana, the egg, and your oil, and that's it. You don't need to break a bank to treat your hair. This is an amazing hair treatment. It's going to grow out your hair. It's going to moisturize your hair. It's going to seal in all the whole moisture back into your hair, guys. You know, clove always dry out our hair each time you spray it, but this one is not going to dry out your hair. After you finish using this hair mask, your hair is going to be shining. Okay, clove has amazing benefits for hair growth. So I'm going to squeeze it like this, like how you're seeing it on the screen. So this is how creamy, okay, your treatment has to look like. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze and make sure I squeeze out all the whole juice. Okay, literally you might not see a much chaff, but just don't need those things running down your hair because it will take you a while before you rinse it out. Banana has amazing benefits for your hair growth as well. So guys, if you use this four ingredient on your hair, like use it once a week or you can use it once a month. Okay, just depending on you, your hair is going to grow out really well. Okay, so this is the chaff I was saying about, that you don't need this on your hair because it's going to take time for it fall, it's removed. The last time I did this, I used everything with the chaff and it took me a very long time before I got everything off my hair. So bestie, this is what it looks like. This is how the consistency of the max and deep condition looks like. This is going to be amazing on your hair, trust me. So guys, I am on a journey of carrying my braids for 2 months. Okay, so this is week 2, okay, of doing this thing on my hair. So like I will wash my hair with my braids, I will condition my hair with my braids, everything I'm doing with my braids, both my spray with my braids. So this is week 2 of carrying my braids, okay, and that is starting up week 2. So I decided to wash my hair because previously in my video I said I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm going to put this on my hair right now and I'll allow this to sit on my hair for a very long time. Okay, don't worry, don't be scared, it's going to rinse off. I'll show you guys how I'm going to be rinsing it out as well. If you've watched this extent, please give this video a thumbs up. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you've not. Like the video, share it, leave your beautiful comment, and yeah. So braiding your hair is going to help you to retain hair length and grow out your hair. So I decided to jump on this challenge because I have been saying it a lot on natural hair community, and I decided to jump on it. You guys know I love doing challenges a lot in the channel to see if it actually works or not. So let us see. I'm going to carry this for 2 months. If this actually works, I'll be carrying my braids for a longer time, like not putting any extension, just my natural braids. Either I'll carry this kind of braids or cornrows. I'll carry for a longer time, okay, so I can retain that my hair length. And this is so easy to wash your hair, and your hair will not smell because you either intend to wash your hair every day if you want, or you wash your hair 2 3 times in a week depending on you. Me, I'm on a jogging a jogging challenge, okay, so I tend to wash my hair like twice in a week because I'm sweating and I don't want my hair to be smelling, okay. So sometimes I wash my hair twice in a week, sometimes I wash it once in a week, so it all depends on my activity for that week. So I'm just going to pour all this, like I literally pour everything on my hair, and I love the way my hair absorbed this treatment. Like my hair really absorbed this treatment so well. So I'm done applying this all over my hair. I'm going to put my hair in, cover my hair with this polythene bag or any nylon you have, or anything bag, or any bag you have, okay. So I'm going to use this particular one. I'm going to tie it at the back. Then I left this for a very long time. Like guys, I did a, if you're following me on my vlog channel, you know when I did this and how long I carried this on my hair. So I carried this for a very long time because I was not going anywhere, so I allowed this to sit very well, and I think it is added more benefit to how the hair came out at the end. This is hours, like hours later. From my vlog channel, I cooked and everything. This is like hours later. This is the hair. I'm going to rinse it out and I'll show you guys the after result. Okay. So guys, this is my hair. You see the ending of my hair, like the coils are coily. So this is my hair, all washed, all clean. So don't be afraid, it's going to rinse out. Everything's gonna rinse out. I used 1 full bucket of water to rinse this out of my hair, yes, because I wanted to make sure that I rinse out every deep condition on my hair. So just for you to know, when the water is white, like normal water, you know your hair is actually clear. But when you still see the deep condition water, you need to keep on rinsing it till you see a clear water, then you know your hair is all clean and clear. Yeah, so this is my hair. I love the coils, like the coils at the ending of the hair is just giving. Alright besties, I hope you enjoyed this video. So what I'll do right now is to put my normal condition on my hair, and then I'll just allow it to set, then rinse it out, and that's it. Before I do the tea I'm gonna put on my hair, which will come out in another video. So please do well to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Have you used this recipe before? Let me know in the comment section. Will you be using it? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye darlings.